Might be here. Parker, do you see the UPS man?
What's he doing? Does he have some packages for us? You're going to open the door for him?
Make sure you say thank you, Parker.
Oh man, Parker, look what he's got. Okay, buddy, can you back up a little bit?
Say thank you, Parker.
Thank you. You want to take that one? Bring it in.
There it is.
All right.
See you guys.
Say thank you.
Parker, who came? Oh boy.
Bye-bye, UPS man.
Oh boy, Calla. UPS man came.